Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we're breaking down the latest news and trends that are shaping the cryptocurrency market. Today, we're talking about a possible scenario that could send shockwaves through global markets. President Trump firing Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. Imagine if Trump follows through with his plans to fire Powell, who has been warning of stagflation. That's exactly what happened in Turkey, where President Recep Tayyip Erdogan repeatedly interfered in the central bank's operations, leading to a collapse in the lira. The result? A sevenfold decline in value from 5.3 per dollar to 38 per dollar. In the U.S., Trump has been feuding with Powell for years, criticizing him for being too slow on rate cuts. But this latest escalation could have serious consequences for the economy and the global financial system. As Powell noted, high interest rates can actually make inflation worse, not better. Now, we're seeing a shift away from the USD and towards more seizure-resistant assets like Bitcoin and stablecoins. In fact, Turkey's capital flight into BTC and stablecoins since 2020 could be a warning sign for what's to come. And if Trump doesn't get his way with Powell, it could mean even bigger losses for U.S. investors. But here's the thing, we're not just talking about the USD crashing or the lira going down in value. We're talking about a potentially destabilizing global market scenario that could force investors to rethink their portfolio strategies. And what might they choose? Bitcoin and other alternative investments, like the Turks did. Omkar Godbol, our co-managing editor on markets, has been analyzing this situation closely. He believes that if better sense fails to prevail, U.S. investors may feel incentivized to move away from traditional assets and into more secure options. And with small amounts of his own Bitcoin holdings, Omkar is keeping a close eye on the market. So what's next for the cryptocurrency market? We'll be keeping a watchful eye on this story as it unfolds. Stay tuned for more updates and analysis from Bitcoin Bulletin.